Hi guys, Mitch King, Trade Stocks America with the Wednesday morning, June 12th, 2013 daily stock report. Dow 30 down 116 points. And we're starting that action that I described here yesterday that we're likely to see several down days. I think it's very feasible, almost likely, that we return back to that low under 15,000 3 days ago or 4 trading days ago on the Dow 30, and before we really start getting a chance to have any type of meaningful bounce. But you got to look at it this way. You know, we've had 7 months of a really historic gain thanks to the U.S. government. We typically will have a pullback, a meandering action. Technicians call it consolidation, and that process is necessary in order to make a stage, to set the stage for a move back up higher. It's very conceivable, I think almost likely, that through this summer we're going to go through this meandering, aimless direction because there's not a lot of things that occur. There's no earnings season. Yes, there's some economic data that's going to come out, but I think the market's got to go through this process one way or another, whether it goes up or down. S&P 500 down over 1%. I think we're going to get to that 1600 level, probably a little bit lower, maybe 1575. These stocks are reflecting that they're turning over as well, having a hard time making any new highs. You guys know how strong Yahoo was for many months. We've had this long, and it was over 27 yesterday and day before. Turned over. Yesterday the clue on all these stocks was that it closed close to the bottom of the low of the day. That nice gain we had on EW pulled back a little bit today. Probably should have sold this IOC a few days ago at around 84, 85, and now we're in the negative, so mismanaged this one. WPX is coming back down to earth, I guess. Should be going below 18 is what I've been looking for. The CSIQ and SPWR shorts really sold off today. Just thought I'd show you this if you had that short. UNXL seems to be hugging this 18 or 19 as a high and 15 low. It had a nice start, sold off the last couple days, needs to hold this 15. I think the fact the market's not having any more momentum is stopped the momentum in this stock. 6 was closed today. The housing stocks sold back down to that level they started bouncing off, but I think if it holds this 22 here on DR Horton, we should start seeing this bounce back up, maybe 24, 25. Same thing with Toll Brothers. New long on THG went to 49.23 today. Looking for this to hold this $48 level, and the ROC needs to hold this area right here. It looks like 63.50. So you guys take care, don't get leveraged, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.